In this session, I will explain how to use the subprogram and local coordinate system. When there are repeated blocks in the program, it is convenient to register and use subprograms. The subprogram is called and used by the main program and can also be called by another subprogram. The subprogram can be called in this way. For example, you can enter M98P0001234 to call the subprogram with M98. 1000 in P stands for repeat times, and 1234 stands for the program number. Therefore, it means that call the program number 1234 for 1000 times repeatedly. If you set number 0 bit SQC to 1 in the parameter 6005, you can create and call a subprogram in the main program. When M99 is commanded in the subprogram stops and the next block in the main program is executed. When M99P is commanded in the main program, the program goes to the pertinent sequence number in the main program. If only M99 is used, the program returns to the beginning and is executed infinitely. The local coordinate system can create a temporary coordinate within the work coordinate system for easy programming. This coordinate is called the local coordinate system. The absolute coordinate commanded after commanding the local coordinate system is used based on the local coordinate system. For your reference, the local coordinate system cannot be used in edge R compensation mode. The local coordinate system command of the axis was commanded when setting the coordinate system with G50 is cancelled, and the block immediately after G25 should be commanded in the absolute coordinate system. Even though you set the local coordinate system, the work coordinate system and the machine coordinate system are not changed. That is the end of my explanation on how to use the subprogram and local coordinate system.